So I'm sure you made some progress, but maybe you fell off the horse, and I want you to keep coming back to this because it's so important. So start forwards together. And remember, what you want to be able to do is reverse to the right, then ultimately reverse to the left. They're both going backwards. Reverse to the right, reverse to the left, back to where you started, until you can just cycle through that with some rhythm. Right reverses left, reverses right, reverses left, reverses right, reverses left, reverses right, reverses left, reverses. So if that's not smooth, remember, keep building up. Learn to just reverse to the right, then just reverse to the left. Then with the left spinning, make sure you can swing the right. And then with the right spinning, make sure you can swing the left. And then make sure you can, with the right spinning, you can swing the left in the opposites. And then get it spinning. And then with the right swinging, make sure you can swing it up into opposites. And then start the whole thing, both spinning forwards. Right reverses, swings into opposites. And then at first, come back to where you started. Then the left does both, reverse, then reverse again. And then you're ready. Right reverses, left reverses, right reverses, left reverses. And you want to get to the point where you can start kind of bopping around and just relaxing. Or you can put your music on and you can just be really casual and just, it doesn't feel like no big thing anymore. And that's only going to happen if you play with it. But trust me, if you play with it, it's really going to come. I haven't seen anybody not be able to get this yet, if they put in a little bit of time. Right, reverse is left, reverse is right, reverse is left, and right, and left, and right, and left. And that's it. We're going to come back to this, and we're going to go further with it, but I need you to start by really dialing that in. So this is your second chance. Practice it, and we'll go further.